Today I will talk about how can you change your name on your Lumosity app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on more down here, and just click here on more. It's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do, you just click here on account settings. You just click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you come here to edit profile. Just click on it. When just click on edit profile, it's going to take you to this list. So just switch in here to open video. So it's going to take a time. Then you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click on your name here, or your this photo profile. Just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to first name, and then can you change your name here. So when you're down, just go down, click here on save changes, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.